Okay, good everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, we're gonna be talking about classic chart patterns. Okay, so many times, starting out as a beginner trader, you see so many stuff. You see so many people calling out so many things that probably is not what is happening in the market. So without not wasting much time, I'll be showing you guys some basic chart patterns. They actually show you. Number one is they'll be like um double top or the W pattern. They'll be like W pattern, W pattern. Please just I'm not an artist, so you don't really expect me to draw it correctly. So all this is not really, how will I put it? It's not, basically most of the times it happens, right? I do not downplay that you will not see patterns like this making double bottom, right? Then breaking higher. But overall, it is not really what it implies or what you should look out for. So they'll call this probably the neckline. And what else do they expect? They expect that they will buy here, then probably they take profit to be the measurement of this from high to low or double high to low. So oh sorry, this is not what I wanted. So now they will be entering here for a buy and putting their stop loss below. So overall, you still end up seeing the market. Okay, let me bring out the long position too. So you see them actually putting their stop loss here at this low and take profit here. And sometimes overall, you end up seeing the market doing what? Moving a bit higher, then coming down low to wipe out their stop losses. And I will show you what the market actually did here and why you should not actually buy, you should be selling. But that is for case study number one. Second case study I'll be bringing out here is the M pattern. So there are definitely some markets forming a double top. So they actually expect it to now what go lower or anything. And believe me, it do happen, but it does not happen. It's not like it does not happen always, but there are some criteria. It's not like it's what you should be looking out for or what to actually give you the mind or mindset to what risk your money. You understand? Oh sorry, take the risk. I mean, not really what will make you, because you saw a chart like this on a particular time frame. You saw a chart like this on a particular time frame, then you actually think in your mind overall that this is what is going to happen next or anything. So neckline of the M formation, then what is their expectation overall? So all I'm saying is people do this a lot. People actually do this a lot. So but when I see it, I know that they don't actually understand what is going on in the market. Look at this for long, this short position. Yeah, and at the end of the day, sometimes you end up seeing the market what hitting their stop loss and going further. So this is your take profit, and you end up seeing the market doing something like this. So what I'm showing you this is for you to learn, so that when you see it, you have in mind that yes, some people may make, because the market overall is going for what? Liquidity. And this stop loss is here at this double top is what's called what? Buy side liquidity. The ones at this low here is called what? Sell side liquidity. And that is what the market is going for. It's not like the market is seeing your stop loss or anything, but the algorithm running the market actually knows what? Where liquidity are or is. You understand? They actually know. It's not like they are seeing you. So sometimes traders will be like, why is the market chasing my stop loss, all this stuff? It's because of they are following all these retail chart patterns what blindly. They don't really understand what is going on. They just want to make money. So once they see information, they are trying to sell. But at the end of the day, the market will just weak, taking out the sell side liquidity first, then explode to the buy side, which is this highs, taking out these highs also. Also here, market actually what tends to what do as push up a bit, clearing out the buy side, then dropping down to clear out the what equal lows, that is the sell side liquidity. So overall, this chart patterns is not really will I say what you should actually have in mind or use as a strong confluence in your trading. There are so many chart patterns. You heard them saying ascending triangle, descending I see so many stuff. So why you should actually know them also is to know that yes, these people are making what a mistake, and they are going to be doing it wrong, right? And once you see that they are going to be doing it wrong, you can actually just take the opposite, because overall the market is not actually trying for trying, how will I put it, the market is not even created there for everyone to make money. So maybe chart price consolidates here and they are waiting for, if it breaks out up, we are buying. If it breaks out low, we are selling. They don't actually know, like they don't even understand the market structure or what the market is doing. Believe me, the time of the day, the section, the location, or the where price is currently at, the PDR is really what matters, right? It matters in your analysis and what confluence. You understand? You don't just do things blindly, okay? You don't just trade blindly or risk blindly because of what you saw. This is not really enough confluence for you to take a trade. Double tops and double bottom actually happens in the market for sure, but it happens because of a what is some conditions, certain criteria, which I will not actually what be explaining further in this video currently. Another pattern people talks about is inverse head and shoulder, or heads and shoulder pattern, which comes in like this. So you see price like this making a low, okay? Price will make a low. So price will actually try to what price will actually try to make another high, pushing up, but end up making a lower low. Price end up was making a what? A lower low. So many people be like, break of structure, let us sell, but they end up seeing price also what? They end up seeing price also going back up to the neckline. Please, my arts are not really the best, okay? Just bear with me, okay? And they actually end up seeing price coming down again lower here, but it's not going to break the lows now, right? It's not going to break the lows. Then all these are pattern people talked about and see and think is, so this next move now, most people will even be buying from here, expecting price to what break this neckline and go what higher. So this is the neckline here for this is the neckline. So once they see something like this, they are trying to place a buy here, but sometimes you see the market what going up a bit, then actually coming down to take all these lows, because these are liquidity right here. So it's not going to buy and they end up losing. So this is basically why many people lose money looking at simple chart patterns, because they don't really understand will I say the main stuff, or what you should be understand. The market is actually created to what take liquidity in form of what buy side or sell side, and liquidity there is your money. So even from this chart now, what I'm seeing currently, right, people will see that this is a high, right, down, high, information, market to be breaking lower, although this is a 15 minutes time frame anyway, but sometimes you go to the hourly and everything. But believe me, market will come down, take out these equal lows, right, currently, then also push up to take out these highs and probably keep going high. But I'm not trading anything now. The market is consolidating. This is still early overall from my time zone. This is Asian session. We are heading, yeah, this is not even up to London Open yet. So session also matters now. You see what I'm talking about? The section you're trading matters. There are so many things that matters in trading. Time also matters. Very important. The time is also very important. So once again, thank you all for watching this YouTube video. Please like, subscribe and share, okay? All advanced stuff will be discussed very soon. Then if you have not joined the 2023 Sunders FX VIP, beginners mentorship, do well to join. The link will be at the video description. If you want to contact me, also my social media links, it's at the video description. Once again, thanks and bye bye.